Do you often find yourself forgetting things? Maybe it's where you put your keys or a vital appointment. It's a common occurrence and you're definitely not alone in this. Our brain, like any other part of our body, needs care and attention to function optimally. Think of your brain as a supercomputer. It's a remarkable organ that's capable of incredible feats. It's responsible for our thoughts, feelings, memory, and so much more. But sometimes, it might seem like this supercomputer is running a bit slow, especially when we start forgetting things. The good news is, our brains are adaptable. They can learn, change, and improve, no matter our age. It's never too late to start taking care of our brain health and memory. So, if you're worried about your memory, let's dispel those fears. Worry not, because there are simple and effective steps to boost your memory and improve your brain power. Step 1 to boost your memory and brain power is mental stimulation. This is all about keeping your brain active and agile. Just as you might hit the gym to keep your body in shape, your brain also needs a workout to stay fit and healthy. So, how exactly can you exercise your brain? Well, activities like reading, solving puzzles, or acquiring a new skill are all great ways to mentally stimulate your brain. These activities challenge your mind and help create new pathways in your brain. Imagine a dense forest. The more you tread a path, the clearer it becomes. Similarly, the more you exercise your brain, the stronger these neural pathways become. This strength aids in improving memory and cognitive function. And remember, mental stimulation isn't just about doing Sudoku or learning a new language. It could also be as simple as trying a new recipe or exploring a new route home. So, stimulate your mind. It's like a workout for your brain. Step 2 is physical exercise. It's no secret that being active does wonders for your overall health. But did you know it also boosts your brain power? Regular physical exercise increases blood flow and oxygen to your brain. This nourishment is vital for memory and cognitive functions. Think of it as giving your brain a workout. Just as your muscles grow stronger with exercise, so does your brain. Therefore, make time for exercise. It's not just your body that benefits, but your brain too. The third step is maintaining a healthy diet. A balanced diet is an unsung hero when it comes to boosting your memory and improving brain health. Foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins are particularly beneficial. They provide essential nutrients your brain needs to function optimally. Think of it this way, every time you eat, you're not just satisfying your hunger, but you're also nourishing your brain, helping it to stay sharp and focused. Remember, what you eat also feeds your brain. In summary, boosting your memory and improving brain power can be achieved with 3 simple steps. First, mental stimulation is key. Engaging in activities that challenge your brain helps keep it sharp and active. Puzzles, reading, learning a new language, these all help to keep your mind busy and active, reducing the risk of memory loss. Next, physical exercise is an essential component. A regular workout routine not only keeps your body fit but also boosts the health of your brain. It enhances your memory and thinking skills and keeps your mind clear and focused. Lastly, a healthy diet is crucial. Consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can provide your brain with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. These 3 steps, when combined, promote a healthier, more efficient brain. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more helpful tips on how to boost your memory and improve your brain power.